It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2024 F-350 XL in Oxford white, medium slate cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and you've got 2 regular, 2 smaller, with an 8-foot box. This has a 6.8 liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. The box is lined. You also have integrated cab steps plus the platform running boards, clearance lights in the front, trailer tow hitch in the rear, and many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 6.8 liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. And speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Nice all-weather mats with the Super Duty badging on them, electronic parking brake, high mount lighting, and lighting controls. There's a grab handle and running board, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control and volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. So let's start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. We're just waiting for that. You have an automatic select shifter. And in the center here, we have our hazard lights and traction control. And we've got this nice little screen here so we can touch on sources, AM, FM, and Bluetooth. We can go into our settings. I'm just going to touch on there. And you can slide through for different options and make changes in there as well. And in your features is your owner's manual, towing, and driver assistance. This is also where you're going to see your backup camera view. So when you put the vehicle in reverse, we're seeing right off the back bumper, center line. This is just a protective cover, by the way. And then you've got green, yellow, red, just telling you how close you are to other objects or vehicles. What's probably standing out for you here is the white lines. So as we turn the steering wheel, it shows you the direction you're going, because sometimes you're backing up and you're thinking, how close am I going to miss this? Am I going to touch this? What's going on? So the green lines are real in that's where we are right now, but then the steering wheel direction is showing you where you're going to land. And that's kind of handy. I'm going to put us back into park. Volume and tuner. We've got the fan on here, and we've also got our AC and max AC and our climate control, our front defrost there. And we also have rear defrost, USB-C and USB plus a 12 volt. There's a little bin down there. Off to the side is an integrated trailer brake controller, your 4x4 with drive mode. So drive mode, we can dial through for the different options. So there's normal, and then slippery roads, off-road. We can go the other way now, and that's tow haul, eco, and then we'll just go back to normal because that's what we need right now. So with road conditions, weather conditions changing, you can go into the different drive modes to choose what you need, more or less traction or control. You've got an armrest in the center here with a couple of cup holders, and you've got storage as well, which is really handy. Pop up the seat. It's got another seating position. It's got its own seat belt. You can unclip underneath, and then you've got more storage down below. You've got a 12 volt here, and you also have USB outlets, glove compartment, and it's locking. You've got a little cubby there, grab handle in the body, manually dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you've got a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps. You've got the black door handle as well as running board, driver's side fuel cap, your 4x4 badging. In the back, you've got your backup camera located just above the handle. You also have the tow hook as well as a trailer tow hitch, 4 and 7 pin connector, and locking spare tire. We're going to open it up, just put our hand in the latch. We got this nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners. You also have a measuring stick on the end here, so you want to do a little bit of work, you can, or you just need to measure something. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, and power windows. And these doors open 170 degrees. This allows you to get bigger items in the back if you'd like. And you've got seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Just lift the seat, and it gives you more room on the floor. And then pull the tab, it'll bring it right down. Anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Got these nice all-weather mats on the floor, and in the center there you've got a 12 volt plus a couple of cup holders. You can just pop these up if you want. And then you have got hooks in the top portion there. In the back, you have access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. 8-foot line box, mud flaps, integrated cab steps, platform running boards, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated turn signal, and they're heated, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.